Hi, I'm Dr. Tasnifa, Medical Director of Lebron Aesthetic Clinic. So today I am going to tell you a bit about the daily skincare routine and the skin brightness. So first of all, everybody knows about it that we have to keep our skin hydrated to get a healthy and the supple skin. So definitely you have to take a good amount of water to keep it hydrated, and yes, some hydration gels are also available in the market which will definitely help you out. Second, the most important point is to apply the sunscreen at least twice daily. It is not only for the reason that you have to move out and getting exposed to the sun, you have to apply the sunscreen. You have to apply the sunscreen at home as well, because the radiations which are emitting from the phones, from the laptops, they also damage your skin and make the skin darker. Third, I suggest to go for the antioxidant serums. They really work very well on the face as well as wherever you apply, because it makes your skin brighter and shinier. So you should apply them in the daily basis. Fourth, I'll talk about gentle cleansing, because it removes the debris layer of your skin and make your skin healthier, so that the new skin generation take place and it allows the skin to breathe, because the pores get open and your skin can breathe properly, so it also makes your skin healthy. And if you talk about another process, which is workload and the stress related issues, they also make your skin bad. Because when you suffer from extra workload and the stress, so you might suffer from psychological issues which may release stress releasing hormones, and definitely they directly affect your skin as well as the hair. Rest, there are some multivitamins which really help in the daily routine of your care, which include vitamin C and vitamin E. You can take them, but I'll suggest to recommend it to go and refer a doctor for the same, because many people just take any multivitamin which definitely may not suit their skin. Everybody is having a different kind of skin, so for that reason it's better to consult a doctor. And as you pass the age of 25, so your collagen elastin become weak, so it's better to start maintaining your skin. And everybody is having different kind of skin type, like some are having the oily skin type, some are having the dry skin type, and some are having the combination skin type. So for that reason you need to maintain something after a certain age as you passes through the same process. So for that reason you really need to do some procedures on your face or your body, like if you want the skin brightening thing on your body. And whenever you visit a dermatologist or a cosmetologist or aesthetic physician, it is better you should properly and kindly follow the procedures and the instructions as well as the medicines they have prescribed, because many patients I have seen, they just start the procedure and within 1 to follow-ups they think that they are not getting the results and they just stop it immediately. Because medicines, whatever you are taking, they are not going to give you the result in a day. You have to be a little bit patient and see that how it's going to react on your body, and especially in the skin brightening thing you have to take a lot of care. For example, there are now the aesthetic procedures available in the market, and definitely different aesthetic procedures are there, and it reacts differently on the different bodies. Because if you see that in the darker tone you have a more melanin pigment, and in the wheatish tone, on the average tone, you have less melanin pigment. So automatically whatever the procedures we are going to do, as they are directly working on the internal layer of your skin, or if there are some injections which are being injected for the skin brightening purpose, they will work differently on different bodies, because everybody is having the different hormones. And yes, as I said, the melanin pigment level is also different in different bodies, so it will not give you the same results, and it doesn't give you the result in a day or few weeks. If you are thinking about it, it takes months to give you such a tone. Like for example, if someone want to have a better tone, like skin tone should be brighter, or 2 or 3 shades he or she want to get better, so automatically it takes that much time. Yes, you will see the results in the skin luster, skin type, that is getting better, but the tone brightness you will see after a certain span of time. So in all, I can say that like your skin needs the cure for yourself, like your body needs food for the nutrition, same goes with the latter. So most important, take care of your skin to make it brighter, shinier and healthy. Thank you.